Banana juice has become a familiar part of daily life, enjoyed for its smooth texture, natural sweetness, and refreshing taste. Consumed at breakfast or after exercise, banana juice is often associated with energy, balance, and healthy habits. Families around the world regularly place banana juice on the table without questioning where it truly comes from. Each bottle may look simple, but it represents a long and carefully controlled industrial journey. Behind this everyday product stands a complex production chain designed to preserve quality and safety. Today, we take you inside a modern banana factory to reveal the complete process behind banana juice. The production of banana juice begins far from the factory in large tropical banana plantations. Banana plants grow in specific climates where temperature, humidity, and soil conditions are carefully monitored. Farmers regularly inspect the plants to ensure healthy growth and consistent fruit quality. Protective covers shield banana bunches from insects, weather conditions, and external damage. The maturity of the bananas is closely controlled to meet industrial juice production standards. Once the bananas reach the ideal stage, they are ready to be harvested. Harvesting bananas is a precise operation that requires experience and careful handling. Workers carry the heavy banana bunches gently to avoid bruising the fruit. After harvesting, bananas are quickly transferred to nearby collection stations. At this stage, bananas are packed into crates designed for safe transportation. Refrigerated trucks are used to preserve freshness during the journey to the factory. After hours of transport, the bananas arrive at the banana juice production facility. Quality control starts immediately when the bananas are unloaded at the factory. Operators visually inspect each batch to detect defects or damage. Any banana that does not meet quality requirements is removed from the process. Automated systems check size, weight, and external appearance. All inspection results are recorded to ensure full traceability. Only approved bananas are allowed to continue into production. Before processing, bananas must be thoroughly cleaned to meet hygiene standards. High-pressure water jets remove dirt and surface contaminants. Rotating food-grade brushes ensure uniform cleaning of every banana. The fruit then passes through sanitizing baths to eliminate microorganisms. A final rinse removes any remaining residues from the surface. Clean bananas are now ready for industrial transformation. Peeling is fully automated to guarantee speed, consistency, and hygiene. Peeled bananas are transferred smoothly along stainless steel conveyors. Industrial crushers break the fruit down into a thick banana pulp. This pulp is mixed and homogenized to achieve a uniform texture. Oxygen exposure is minimized to preserve flavor and color. The banana pulp is now ready for juice extraction. Powerful presses extract liquid banana juice from the pulp. The juice flows through transparent pipes, separating from solid residues. Filtration systems remove remaining particles to improve clarity. Fresh banana juice is collected in large stainless steel tanks. Sensors continuously monitor flow, density, and quality parameters. The juice is then transferred to the formulation stage. Water and natural stabilizers are added in precisely controlled quantities. Large mixing tanks blend the juice to achieve consistent taste and texture. Pasteurization heats the juice to eliminate harmful microorganisms. Temperature and processing time are carefully controlled by automated systems. Rapid cooling preserves the natural flavor of the banana juice. The juice is now safe, stable, and ready for bottling. Before packaging, the banana juice undergoes final quality testing. Samples are taken to evaluate taste, aroma, and visual appearance. Laboratory equipment analyzes the chemical composition of the juice. Microbiological tests confirm that the product meets safety regulations. Quality managers review the results and validate the production batch. Once approved, the juice is released for bottling. The banana juice enters a fully automated bottling line. Each bottle is filled with an exact quantity of juice. Caps are sealed tightly to preserve freshness and prevent contamination. Labels are applied to provide product information and traceability. Production dates and batch codes are printed on every bottle. The finished bottles are now ready for logistics. Bottles are packed into cartons using automated systems. Robotic arms stack the cartons onto pallets with precision. Stretch wrapping secures the pallets for safe transportation. Pallets are stored in warehouses under controlled conditions. Digital systems track inventory in real time. Orders are prepared for shipment to retailers. Trucks are loaded with pallets of banana juice. The products travel across regions through established logistics networks. Supermarkets receive and stock the banana juice on their shelves. Consumers select the product during their regular shopping trips. At home, banana juice returns to its place in everyday life. From plantation to bottle, this is the journey of banana juice.